Imagine you just bought expensive new leather boots for a festival. You put them on, take 3 steps, and your feet are already hurting. You sit down and say, ugh, these are so stiff. I really need to break them in before the weekend. Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb break in. This verb has two very common meanings that are totally different. First, the legal one. To enter a building or a car by force, usually to steal something. But the second one is about fashion and comfort. When you wear new shoes or stiff clothes until they become soft and fit your body perfectly. We literally break the stiffness to let you in comfortably. Hey, I want you to think about the last thing you bought that was uncomfortable. Commenting below is the best way for you to show engagement with the community, and it helps you put your knowledge into practice immediately. So, watch these next examples carefully and then write your own. Here are 4 more practical examples. Example 1. Thieves tried to break in through the back window while you were on vacation. Example 2. My feet are killing me. It takes forever to break in these Dr. Martens. Example 3. Sorry to break in, but I have some urgent news for the team. Example 4. Be careful leaving your laptop in the car. Someone might break in and take it. Now, it is your turn. Go to the comments and post an example you have created. Have you ever had to break in a new pair of shoes? If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.